Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you an important arbitrage that you can do and earn money from the comfort of your home with just your smartphone using a Bybit exchange app. Okay, using the Bybit exchange app. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have some USDT in your wallet. If you do not have a USDT in your wallet, you use peer-to-peer transactions to buy USDT in your wallet. Okay, if you don't know how to use the peer-to-peer transactions, I'll drop you a video that will show you how to use these peer-to-peer transactions and secure USDT to your wallet. Okay, so if before I go into that quickly, if you are new to this very channel, do well to subscribe to this very channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, and if you are returning viewers and you are kind of yet to subscribe to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe to this amazing channel and like my videos, and as well share my video with friends so that a lot of people can benefit from this. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make sure you have USDT in your wallet, as I said earlier. So we're going to click on the market down here. Look at down here, there's market. Click on the market down here. Okay, so clicking on the market, it will bring you to this very nature. So look at the top right hand side here. We have USDT market, we have DAI market. So this DAI market and this USDT market is what we are going to focus on. Okay, you can see the USDT market, okay, and the DAI market, okay, the DAI market. Okay, so all we just need to do now is to convert that your USDT to DAI. How would you do that? Come to this very top here and type in DAI/USDT. Okay, so if you type in DAI/USDT, I'm already holding some here. If you type in DAI/USDT, so you get some DAI. Okay, let's say we want to buy 1000 DAI. Let's say we want to buy DAI using 1000 USDT. Okay, using 1000 USDT, you will get 1000.8 DAI. Okay, so write it down. Say 1000.8, right? So you get 1000.8 DAI, which is very interesting. So we're going to use this very DAI. Okay, make sure you write it down, 1000.8. Okay, we're going to use this very DAI to perform an arbitrage on BTC. Okay, so let's quickly go to the view of the BTC and see. Go to the market. So under the USDT, you can buy BTC at 65, right? At 65 is the BTC. You can buy BTC at 65,147, right? And under DAI, under DAI, you can buy the same BTC at 64. You can see under DAI, you can buy the same BTC at 64, right? So what we're going to do now, since we have some DAI that we converted, we'll come to this DAI and buy BTC with 1000 DAI. Okay, so we're going to use 1000.80 DAI to buy this BTC. Okay, so let's quickly go there. Click on the BTC under the DAI. Don't forget, under the word the DAI. Buy from here and sell it under USDT market. So currently at USDT market, at the DAI market, don't forget we have 64,969.79. Okay, so all you just need to do now is to click on buy. What we have already, let's say we already have a quantity of 1000.80 DAI. What are we going to get? Look at what we stand to get. So we'll get 0.015 USDT. Okay, don't forget, write it down. 0.01544. we'll get 0.01544, right? Okay, if we're going to get 0.01544, let's go back to USDT market, come to this place, scroll down and go back to USDT market. Okay, in USDT market, well, it has dropped a bit though, but no P. In USDT market, you see how it keeps fluctuating. Okay, so you try to do something quickly before anything change. So in USDT market, okay, sorry, it's still fine. In USDT market, this is where we are going to sell our BTC in USDT market. Okay, don't forget. So we're gonna go into rush that quickly now and see what we stand to gain. Okay, so what we need to just do now is to click on here. Clicking on here, don't forget we have some to sell, right? Clicking on here, you come to this place and click on sell. If you click on sell, don't forget what do we have. We had 0.01544. You see, we have. So if we sell it at this rate now, we have almost 3 USDT. Wow, this is a nice one. We have almost what? Almost 3 USDT. And this is an arbitrage that is not always there, but once it's there, you make a lot of profit from it. Okay, right? So all you just need to do currently is that always check and take advantage of any opportunity and start making money for yourselves. Okay, so all I want you to just do, the moment you see this opportunity, seize it and start making money for yourself. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to check is always go through the market and keep watching and see what you stand to make a day. So you can do this as many as you want a day. So let's check out my calculator to see the profit potentials that we stand to make every day. Okay, let's say we're making roughly, let's say almost 3, we're making, let's say 3, and we do this times 10 a day. 3 times 10, which is 30. Wow, it's a nice one. And don't forget, it depends on the volume of the capital that you have. Okay, depending on the what? On the volume of the capital that you have. Okay, you can do this as many as you want a day, but let's say just by 10. Let's go back to the same Bybit and check how much the Bybit peer-to-peer transaction is holding. Okay, so if we check at this place, wow, almost 5,000, almost 1,583 naira. Okay, let's see what we stand to make from my region here. Let's say this 30 now, 30 USDT times 1,580 naira. Wow, that's 47 naira. 47,000 naira, sorry, is what I stand to make at my region, and at your region you stand, or at every region we stand to make 30 USDT. If we can do this times 10 a day, you can do it more than that. As long as you see the opportunity, just grab it and start making money for yourself. Okay, so just do this and make 47,000 naira every day without stress. So thank you so much for watching. I will be stopping here today. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will get to you ASAP. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.